From the facade pa lang, panalo na. Tignan mo naman ang lawak. Napaka-spacious. Ang ganda ng natural light. Ang elegant and ang linis tingnan. Ang astig. Taas ng ceiling. It's such a game changer. Thoughtfully designed talaga. Look how big it is. Sobrang luwag, di ba? At ito na ang highlight. Masarap tumira dito. Perfect for your dream home. Tara, pasok tayo. I'm thrilled to take you on an exclusive tour of this stunning property here in BF Homes, Parañaque City, known for its prime location and upscale community. This is where modern living meets tranquility. Check this out, a brand new modern house with swimming pool, perfect for your dream home. With a lot area of 280 square meters and a floor area of around 295 square meters, this property has so much to offer. Tara, let's explore. From the facade pa lang, panalo na. The sleek and modern design gives it so much character. And here's your 4-car garage to keep your prized vehicles safe and secured. Tingnan mo naman ang lawak. Tara, pasok tayo.